Okay, let's get real for a second. Fairy Meadows? It sounds like a place where fairies gather to exchange skincare tips, right? Well, spoiler alert, it's not. But it's probably as close to magic as it gets on this planet. Today, I'm going to give you a complete guide on how to get to Fairy Meadows, all the challenges, and, most importantly, why your grandma would probably call it a nice, relaxing stroll. Definitely not true. This video is your travel survival kit. By the end of it, you'll know every twist and turn, whether you're hiking up the hills or just thinking about it while comfortably lounging on your couch. So buckle up. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing adventures. Now, reaching Fairy Meadows is an adventure in itself. It's not your average stroll in the park, but hey, who wants average anyway? First things first, you gotta get to Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. From there, hop on a jeep and get ready for a bumpy ride to Raikot Bridge. And when I say bumpy, I mean it. We're talking about roads that would make a roller coaster jealous. But hey, consider it a warm-up for the hike ahead. From Raikot Bridge, it's time to ditch the wheels and use those legs, people. The hike to Fairy Meadows is about 3 to 4 hours depending on how fast you can trek. And let me tell you, it's a climb you won't forget. But every drop of sweat is worth it when you finally lay eyes on that view. Imagine you've been trekking for hours, your legs are screaming, your lungs are burning, and then boom! You reach the top of the ridge and bam! Fairy Meadows explodes before your eyes. Rolling green meadows dotted with colorful wildflowers stretch out before you. Towering above it all is the mighty Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest mountain in the world. This ain't no ordinary mountain, folks. It's known as the Killer Mountain for a reason. But don't let that scare you off. Nanga Parbat may be a beast, but it's a beautiful beast. Especially at sunset, when the snow-capped peaks glow orange and pink. It's enough to make even the toughest adventurer go weak in the knees. Now, once you've picked your jaw up off the ground, it's time to explore. Fairy Meadows is a hiker's paradise. There are trails for every level, from leisurely strolls to challenging climbs. You can explore the nearby forests, go for a dip in the icy cold river, if you dare, or just relax and soak up the scenery. But a word of advice, this is the wild, folks. So pack your common sense. Always tell someone where you're going, carry plenty of water, and for Pete's sake, be bear aware. You don't want to end up as a midnight snack for a hungry grizzly. Pro tip, bring a good camera. Trust me, you'll be snapping pictures like crazy. And don't forget extra batteries, because the last thing you want is to run out of juice when you're trying to capture that epic sunset shot. Please like the video and share it with your friends who love adventure. This is Nanga Parbat, the Killer Mountain with a soft spot for sunsets. Let's talk about Nanga Parbat for a sec. This mountain is a legend. It's massive, it's dangerous, and it's absolutely mesmerizing. Climbers from all over the world come to test their skills against its treacherous slopes. But even if you're not a hardcore mountaineer, you can still appreciate the sheer power and beauty of this natural wonder. Just gazing up at its towering peaks is an experience in itself. And the sunsets? Don't even get me started on the sunsets. Words can't describe the show Nanga Parbat puts on each evening. It's nature's fireworks display, and trust me, you'll want front row seats. So there you have it, Fairy Meadows, a place where adventure meets tranquility, where nature reigns supreme, and where you're guaranteed to create memories that will last a lifetime. This ain't no fairy tale, people. This is real life, and it's calling your name. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Just remember to pack your sense of adventure, your respect for nature, and maybe an extra pair of socks. You're gonna need them.